heyitsfei. Welcome back to another Style NANDA K-style haul. I'm not just anybody, but a very average mid-sized body like myself. I have a few items from Style NANDA that may just tickle your pickle. I have been obsessing over, the models. Love to compare myself, love to feel like shit. Just kidding. That's why we do these hauls, because they look so great. What about in reality? Because I don't look like that. First, this top. I am in absolute shambles right now. I'm going buck wild. Okay, granted, on the model, it was like perfectly like cropped on her. On me, it looks like a bra. I do believe this is one size. Do we fit into the one size category? Kinda, not really. It does make your busticles look humongous, but they're not even really that humongous. The illusion though. We're magicians out here. Can we focus quickly on the print? The patterning of this crop top bra has this fun-sized mirroring effect that just creates this roundness to the girls, which we're not round, we're pear-shaped. It's also knitted texture and the straps just come right above and beyond. The straps do feel like they're gonna slip off. I wish it was like more haltered. This versus this. This versus this. The straps are a little long. I'm obsessed with this muted salmon tan color. It has this peachy undertone. Flatters my tan skin right now. The color, the illusion, the roundness it brings to the chest besties. Yeah, you better get one. Even if this was short on the model, because she's like Slim Jim, it just looks so much more appropriate. Can we talk about how things just don't look appropriate if you have like a heavier chest? Like the unfairness we get. We are labeled as too skanky. But put this on someone thinner, they're like, oh, that's a cute top. You're accepted to the University of Society. Biggie girls, you feel me? This is a pillowcase, I mean a dress. Let me just... Hey guys, it's Kim Kardashian. I feel like a Kardashian in this. Stormy baby. This is a very versatile piece. Tube top dress. Oh. Or you can pull this down and wear it as like a skirt. Ooh, like that. A wig. Jasmine. The witches from Hocus Pocus. Boo. Arm scarf. When the models wore this, the 3CE models, they all looked very like high fashion. So high fashion. I kind of look like I'm about to go take a dip. It just feels very lazy. Literally no grip on this skirt. There's no elasticity. Grip to your body rolls off like a crepe. I just rolled it off. On the bottom, it has this like diagonal cut that's not supposed to be so like in the middle. Runs like kind of to the side. Is this how the back looks like? I don't understand. For the first time, I feel like Style NANDA gave up. It's a rag. Because Asian households, we use clothes to wipe the floor sometimes. That's what this feels like. Highly pass, highly do not recommend. Ooh, look at us. This is tight. I don't know how you wear it, girl. How did you do it? This is a little too much, I think. Okay, let's attack. So this color is this cyan blue, almost turquoise, azure color. I love it. I don't own anything in this color, and so I am drawn to the T. She a skinty one. She's squatty. This strap lost 10 pounds. It is adjustable and it connects right to this like strapless bandeau look. It looks like it fits. Maybe it doesn't. The truth is, it's a lie. Are these fraternal twins suffocating? Yes. Are the ribcage suffering? Yes. Also, it literally squeezes and bulges my fat from beneath. It feels like a tightrope. We look great though. Yeah, we do. This is the only kind of suffering I'm getting these days. In all honesty, I really don't have anything in this color, and I'm so drawn to this azure color. It's just very bright, fresh. And if I was trying to rob a K-pop idol, you can totally spot me like 10 miles down the road. Can't miss this robber. The most uncomfortable part besides my intestines like coming up towards my lungs, there's this padding underneath like this big. The padding stops here. Bitch, we need you to be out here. What is the point of this? You can barely see it, right? You can't tell there's a padding in here, can you? I just look stupid. Can you kind of see it's like sunglasses for the nips? Just the nips. Does this mean I look stinky versus her because I have heavier chest? How do we like this? Are you feeling it? Let me know. So I got something fun for ya. So I couldn't wear the I couldn't wear just the underwear because, we still want to monetize this video, okay? YouTube. Listen, Linda, listen. Here I am. I have my shorts under. Do you understand it? This is a bra undie set in black. I think there were other colors, but I went with this because black makes you look squatty. So the top kind of reminds me of the blue top, except this is super flexible. I mean, like, look at this. We can breathe. Thin straps and just this very soft cotton feel. It does have that fake padding again, except this one is a lot more cushiony. The blue one was like styrofoam. It's super soft. It feels very comforting. This bra actually looks more like a tank top than a bra. And the tanks like more like bras. That's a mystery. That's what the government wants. The underwear, just like the top, super soft. Ooh. It hugs right at the underbelly part around the like hips and the move-in too. It's also super flexible. This is definitely an undergarment set that I would wear on a girl's night in. It just holds everything right in, so you don't have to worry about a slip, a dip. I love this. I'm definitely gonna go get different colors now because I'm convinced. I sold this to myself. I don't remember this. This was a little see-through, so I put tissue underneath. Can't tell, can't tell. Maybe I felt like there was just some type of uniqueness. I love clothes that are odd to the eyeball. That's how you get the boys to look. And you wearing this, get the boys to look. There are these two drawstrings right on top, and you're supposed to, snatch them together. I can totally make this so much cuter than it is. Not. Okay. From zero to hero. First of all, I think we should talk about the elephant in the room. Besides the see-throughness. This is very distinctive. Normally I could wrap my head around it, but something about this is like, you wanna be a t-shirt or you wanna be a tank top. Obvious. I mean, no shit, but shit. I mean, thank goodness with the divide and the ruche in the middle, it really makes this top what it is today. And like, what do you think? Back isn't as bad because it's like that one shoulder look, but the front is just like black and white, yin and yang, day and night. Don't love it, I don't hate it. Maybe I hate it more than I love it. I think if I dress this up with some black slacks and maybe like the hair up, maybe that could be a vibe. This top is just giving me identity crisis. I don't know what I am. I don't know what I want to be. I do appreciate the scrunch down here that creates this like diagonal cut, snatched, but I'm still having my identity crisis. It's just, I don't think we're meant to be, sorry. So this is the next piece, and it's another underwear bra set that I just saw and thought it looked so good. However, I'm not gonna risk putting this one on because it could be a little bit too like risque. I'm gonna try this on TikTok, and if you wanna follow me there to see how it looks like on my mid-sized body, then go look at it. Everybody's beautiful. Obviously the model is rocking this and she's looking gorgeous. She's like a lot tinier than I am, like by a milestone. Like I looked like that when I was probably 8. No, I knew it. I was a chubby kid. I love this olive color though, in this like V cut. It comes with these paddings extra because you might lose them in the wash, I suppose. Go check the top. Here's our last piece. It's not a thong, I promise. I think this is how you're supposed to wear this. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks like a bib, like when you go eat seafood. You know those trash bag bibs? And I think the highlight of this halter is supposed to be like the siding, the backing, which however, this is what you mainly see, and I'm just seeing a lot of like, you threw this halter into the washing machine one too many times and it faded out. I feel like if the fabric was like cotton or just something thicker where you can see the color at least and just have more of that like prominent color, wow, it would have been like wham bam. Looks more so like a seafoam green, not flattering. And we all know halter tops are supposed to make you pop. Do I feel like I'm popping? No. I feel like I'm dropping. There's really no shape I'm emitting. It just feels like a big sheet on top. It does look a little bit spiderwebby over there. Maybe the chesty besties don't configure this as well as the models. I just don't know. Like, I don't think so. I just, no. You know, we'll just have to admit that some things look good and some things just don't. So, this one don't. I bought 2 dresses that were supposed to come in this order with, but apparently they didn't show up. I didn't get a refund either, so I don't know if they're like missing in transit. If they do come, I will show you guys on TikTok. And if they don't come, then like, I better get my bag back. They weren't cheap. That is it for this haul. Until next time, I'm sending love, bye.
Even if you try